Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday we expected a reversal from the 200 moving average and we got a perfect reversal. To be honest, I was not expecting a down move of more than 100 pips. Okay, personally, I booked my profit around 40 pips, but when I saw that gold made a low of almost 80-90 level, okay, I was shocked. And again, we can see that gold bounced, and right now again standing at the 200 moving average. So right now, I'll say that you should not be going for any further sell position here. And most importantly, today we have a long list of events coming up. You can see we have news for the euro, we have news for GBP, we have news for US dollar. So yes, you need to be careful. If you love to trade on euro, dollar, GBP, USD, then yes, you need to be extra careful today because of long list of events. And gold lovers, you need to be careful during the US session because yes, market will be showing volatility. If you look at the chart of dollar index, then for the fourth consecutive time, dollar index failed to cross the resistance of 103.60, 103.70. Right now, dollar index is standing at 103.48. And we can clearly see that the trend of the market is purely sideways right now. We discussed about the ascending triangle pattern here that was passed. At present, we have a sideways market on DXY. And as I said, market has tested the resistance 4 times. So in case market goes up again after the news, high chance market will break the resistance and will move higher, because once we see a market testing a level too many times, the level usually loses its strength here. 4 times is quite high. Next time, 5th time is high chance that market will break the resistance. But yes, we cannot predict the news, so we need to be careful. After the news, if market starts falling, observe the volatility. Though it's not a very big event, but yes, there will be some volatility. So beginners, you need to be careful. Your stop loss may not work because of extreme volatility. Okay, so try to close down all your US dollar positions before the news only. So the range of DXY is still the same here, my dear friends. The range is still the same, 103.60 to 103.70 at the top, which is acting as a resistance for quite some time. At the bottom, we have 103 as support, this red line here, and 102.80. This is the range of DXY right now. And after news, let's see whether DXY is able to break the range or not. Okay, so after the news, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, if you see the market is falling, try to look for a sell position. If you see that DXY is breaking 103 level with a big red candle, means market is volume, so plan your trades accordingly. Okay, flexibility is very important for the survival of any trader. Okay, you need to be flexible here. And this is the 1 hour chart of gold. And my dear friends, overall the levels have not changed. Yesterday we had a selling opportunity around the trend line here, around 1904, 1905. But today I will not suggest any sell position around this area. Personally, I will try to avoid any sell position. I will try to stick to the major levels of the market. Which is a major level? The levels that we have discussed 2 or 3 times in our previous videos, which is around 1909 to 1910. We have FIBO, we have previous price rejection around the area, previous support will be acting as resistance, blah blah blah. 1909, 1910 is a good resistance level, or the first resistance on the chart of gold right now. And then we have next resistance around 1925. 1925 is a better resistance or stronger resistance on the chart of gold. But right now we can see that before news, before the PMI, there chances of market hitting 1925 are very less. So we need to keep our eyes on 1910, 1909 only. But 1925 is much more a better level. We have stronger sellers present around the area. And as I have already discussed many times, that around 1925 we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level, we have previous price rejection, we have previous support acting as resistance, Many factors, okay, many factors. So 1925 is also a very good level, and as I have already shared my opinion that there's a high chance that market will give closing, monthly closing below 1935. Okay, let's wait and watch. So you can see that the two reliable resistances are still the same. Do we have any new level right now? Sorry, we don't have any new level. If you want to take a sell position here according to your analysis, then you can go for it. But personally, I will not suggest any sell position here. And what about the support then? Yes, the support level is still the same here. The support around 1885, the level that market has already tested 3 times. But as I have already said yesterday, that 1885 is a temporary level. In case market starts falling, let's say that after the news market shows big red candles, then obviously 1885 is not the level where you can expect strong buyers to be present. Right now in this situation, 1885 is a good level in absence of news. Okay, always keep in mind that not all the levels have the equal strength. 1885 is a good level in absence of news when the volatility of the market is low. But when the volatility of the market is high, obviously 1885 will not be able to hold the market. In that case, you can look for a sell position below 1885 as well. Okay, and what should be your target? 1880, 1879 easily. And what about the support then? Do we have any support? Technically, we don't have any strong support on the chart of gold right now. I have already showed you the contracts data, options data. As per the options data, there can be some support around 1875. But if we look at the chart here, technically, okay, you can see we don't have any support, immediate support on the chart of gold right now. Technically, 1850 can be the next support because 1850 is a round number. It can be a psychological support, but apart from 1850, there is no level technically. So let's wait and watch whether 1875 works as a support or not. So that's all about the chart of gold right now. As you can clearly see that we don't have any trend right now. Okay, you can clearly see the market was in downtrend. So till yesterday, I told you guys that considering the overall trend of the market, sell on rise or sell at resistance is the best trading strategy. And still we can see that though the present trend of the market seems to be sideways, but still sell on rise seems to be a wiser trading strategy that we can follow. So personally, if you ask me, Avilas, what will you do? Obviously, I'll be looking for sell at resistance only, considering the dominance of sellers on the chart of gold. So day traders, scalpers, obviously you can go for buy at support, sell at resistance, considering the present trend to be sideways. But my dear friend, if you're a beginner, new trader, you cannot afford to lose any money right now, then obviously you should be trying to follow the trend of the market, and which is pretty down, and sell and on rise is the best trading strategy if market reverses. Okay, if do not trade blindly. If you see that market is reversing, market is showing price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. Anyways, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please follow proper risk management. Okay, after news, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do not play with your capital. Capital protection should be your first priority always. Okay, as I always say, my dear friends, be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.